I'll show you how to join a school and claim a subscription that your school has purchased for you. There's two ways to do this depending on whether you have already created a Frankenstories account or you are yet to create an account. I'll firstly show you what to do if you don't have a Frankenstories account. We'll go to sign up to create an account. Select I'm a teacher. If your school uses Google Mail, you can sign up with the Google pathway. For any other email, sign up with email. Input your email address and create a password. By selecting Send Code, you will send a confirmation code to your email address, which will be 4 digits, which we'll need in the next screen. Be sure not to confuse the 4-digit confirmation code with the 6-digit school code. Now I'll go and retrieve my confirmation code, which will have automatically been sent to me via email. Input your name. Fill out some details. These details are helpful so we can give you more curated content. This is where you can enter your school code. You may have received this via a welcome email or from a colleague. Select I have a school code. Enter the 6-digit school code. And you can see the school has appeared here. I can select Next. Accept the terms and conditions. Then create account. Your registration is complete and you've joined your school. If your school has an available subscription, it will automatically be allocated to you. Now I'll show you how to do this if you have an existing account. I'm in my existing Frankenstories account. I'll go to Profile, then School. I'll select I have a school code with Join. Enter the school code. Select Join School. And you can see I've joined Frankenstories School. And again, if your school has an available subscription, by joining the school, you will be automatically allocated a subscription from your school. You can confirm you've received the subscription by checking the subscription button. Here on the subscription page, you can see my Frankenstories Pro account is active and it gives me an expiry date. So there you are. That's how you can join a school and claim a subscription.